So I want to explain the question number 9 on the 258 page 258 one more time in this video. So the question is saying there's a point 2 2 is on the original function y equals 1 over 4x cubed, and then asking what point will be on this one. So we're talking about going through a kind of transformation, but you need to identify what kind of transformation. If they put it on the original function, not like general in function notation, it's easy to identify, but this one you have to try to match to see what kind of difference is made. Okay, so what I would do is I'm gonna clean up a little bit. I divide by 5 on both sides of this given transformed function. So I turn this one into y plus 6 over 5, right? 'Cause divide by 5. And then the 5 is gone on the right side, so I can take away this the outmost bracket. So it becomes 1 over 4, and then 2, and so the bracket 2 multiply x minus 3, then square cubed is outside. Now if you compare now, so 1 over 4 you have here on the original function, and then you have 1 over 4 as well, and then you have something x cubed, but then you have something cubed. So if you compare that, so x is actually replaced by 2 multiply x minus 3. So that's the thing is replaced the original x. And here it's pretty obvious, and then originally is just y, now it becomes y plus 6 over 5. So if you know this difference, so the way is always think about a machine, right? If you can make the original this kind of stuff still being the original x0. X0 is, you can think about it, any point that is on the original function. So if you have x0, you should have y0, right? So then that's if I make the whatever this part, right, being x0, and then you should have the left side being y0, right? And then x0, y0 is really a point on the original function, and then xy is the point on the new function transformed. And then just isolate x and y, so you should get this. And this one, once you get this, you can easily tell how the transformation is performed. So it is divided by 2, means horizontally compressed by a factor of 1 over 2. And then you have 3 units to the right. So then you produce the new x coordinate, which equals 4. And then for y, you multiply 5 first. It's really just vertically stretched by 5, a factor of 5. And then you have 5 units translated down. So if you do the calculation, you should get 4 for the y coordinate. So then the original point 2, 2 should transform to 4, 4 on the new function.